everybody, this is Roxy, and I am so happy I bought these boxes of note cards. I found these two last year on clearance. I think they were like $2.50 a box because they were about, it got to about 90% off, I think. So I don't even know how much it was. But I came up with an idea to kill a box of cards. And then, in this case, of doing three of them, I've got, I think it's about, well, a ton of envelopes left. And this time of year, it's always hard to find A2 size envelopes, so I'm winning. Okay, so I used those two, and I used the LOL. I got this on clearance too, and I think it was more like $4, or else it was on sale. I don't remember, but it wasn't full price. Okay, so this is what I did. I took all my cards and I made, first I'll show you this. I put two cards together to make little notebooks. And here they are, so cute. So I made little notebooks. I put one card, face the backs together. And then glued one of these inside, the little Dollar Tree 5 for $1 notebook, and then made a little envelope. This is, hope I don't have an avalanche. This is Stampin' Up! The big scallop envelope. It's a really nice size. So I put that over here, and then, you can put stamps or little cards or whatever in. So that's what I made with some of them. I figured out, some of them I used, well, I'll show you. The little LOL, I think I only made 4 books. Because I also used the clear bag stationery holder. Okay, so here's this one. I'll just show you these first, of course. And then here's this one. And with these, I cut up the little cut aparts in the big 12 by 12 and put those, tuck those in the pockets. Here's this one. I'm not going to open them all. And here's this. This was a friend of ours. I mean, it reminds us of a friend of ours, Vicky Audette. She was a local celebrity. She could do vintage like nobody. She was doing vintage before vintage was even around. Like wearing Dress for Success. She had a couple of books. Dress for Success by shopping at Goodwill and thrift stores. She was amazing. She wanted me to go in cahoots with her to take fabric, like buy sweaters and pants and whatnot and make pillows out of them. And we did it for a little while. But somebody was making more money than the one doing all the work. Anyways, okay, so that's them. Yeah, I made 5 of these. So then I took the 12 by 12 paper to make these covers. They're so adorable. And these again are cutouts. And then I'd make take the 2 cards to make the notebook. And then this gets 4 cards and 4 envelopes. I put the envelopes behind the cards. But on 2 of them I had to take them out because I decided to, yeah, this one and this one. I decided I wanted to stamp along here, or doodle, stamp doodles. And when I took it out, it tore here, only because I had too much in there, plus I was taking it out and putting it in. I was taking this thing out. It wouldn't happen normally, but I was really yanking on that to get it out. So I would just always suggest, like these envelopes, I'm going to put them all over on this side, just to be on the safe side. So and then I did a little doily punch. Here's this one. Super cute paper, and I am really excited about this idea because I think they'll sell well. They're so cute. And I've got to tape this onto the front. I just used red line tape to get this on the front, like this. Holds up well. That's on the plastic. Here she is. And then Here's the last one. Hey, pretty lady. And I put the card that matches the book on, you know, like that. So that's the little girl. And then I will show you how to do it. I've got a packet of all the stuff you need. But I'll first show you all these awesome things. I love it. So here are the little books I made. These, I did not put anything on the inside. A little more masculine. And I just used the, well, that's one thing. On every note card they have the Paper Studio trademark. So I just used some Pit pins and Copics to color as best I could. So there's that. They all have different colored. And then, oh, there's the upside down. And then I glued the string to the back a little bit and left the front side loose, just so it doesn't get all goofed up. All right, so there's the books. These are so cute. These are, those are underneath the plastic. Those are the little cards, present tags from Dollar Tree from last year. They still have them again this year, which is amazing. I bought about 3 or 4 of them because I wanted to make sure that I had them. And this is just a strip of paper, scrap, and I used the envelope punch to make kind of like a pseudo flag. And then I put a little piece of it here and punched that out, stamped that and cut it out. And then I'm going to put like a photocopy or a copy of a stamp in here. I'm not going to put stamps in. Cheap, isn't that cute color? With that, but I'm going to put like, so they know that you can put stamps in there for the recipient. Here's the next one. Hope it's not too glary. I love that plaid. Here's the mistletoe. Isn't that pretty plaid? And yet these colors are bright, but I think they still work just fine. But again, I'm going to move the envelopes to this side before I put them out on my table. There's that. So you really get a bang for your buck with these note cards, because I was racking my brain all year. After I bought them, I thought, now what am I going to do with them? I was just going to do like note packs on both sides, but then I kind of like was playing around, and it's so easy to make these. It's pretty cool. Ouch, 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 ouch. My wrist turned when it wasn't supposed to. All right, there's that. And then the gorgeous ones. These are such a, I love this paper pad. And I'm almost done with it. Aren't those adorable? I love this card. It's perfect for this. So that's what I did. I used all the note cards that had the full, I think those are just so pretty. I think I used purple, because it kind of helped, the brown kind of looked purpley. It was a Sunday afternoon, and it was kind of dark in my office, so that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And then there's that one. They're so pretty. So then I just did a scallop and used a circle punch scallop, cut it in half and tucked it under these cut-aparts from the kit, or the paper pad. Again, I tried to, it's not great. Oh, they're so fun. I hope they sell. I think they should. I got so many books upstairs. Got all my stuff out on my tables to whine and cry until I get it to the sale. I love this pad or paper. And there's that one. Super cute. So that's these. I'm going to put these away. Whoops, sorry. I hope I didn't get you all goofed up. And they're really easy. I did 30 of these, I think, in about 2 hours, because they're super fast. Once I figured out in my head how I was going to do them, banged them out. They went really fast.